Hello everyone, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and let me show you how to activate developer options. Once you want to unlock developer options, you just open the settings, then find and select About Device. Here find and select version, and here you will find build number. Now you have to tap on it 7 times, and as you can see, from now on you are in developer mode. So let's go back. From now on you can find developer panel under additional settings, so just scroll all the way down and click to enter. You can use everything you want, just select particular option and then mark it to enable. Once you want to switch developer panel off, unmark top switcher, and that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.